Hi all, a very warm good morning to all my viewers. Today, we are going to discuss about how to earn in thousands with $0 in pocket and in just 4 simple steps. Before we move forward, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and updates. So, let's move on with our video for the day. Every youngster's dream of earning in thousands and that too in a really small time frame. To be true, earning money is not that difficult and everyone can achieve it by following 4 simple steps. Let's start with first step, that is to stop to being lazy. Laziness is the biggest enemy of your life. If you will be lazy, then you will be only confused and you can't acquire any significant position in your life. It doesn't reduce only the ability and productivity of a person, but it also affects on our body as well as health. Second step is to start educating yourself and start networking. The benefit of getting educated is the opportunity to grow as an individual, experiment with what you are passionate about, and find yourself. You will be exposed to a diverse set of people and ideas which expand the mind. When you feel passionate about something, you want to immerse yourself in that topic. Education gives you the space to do so. In addition, you may find new passions, or new areas of interest within your field of study. The new world of digital education is helping those who get to connect across the globe with people from other cultures. Anyone can collaborate together across borders, increasing cultural awareness and worldliness of the individuals, which in return opens new opportunities. Third step is to get a job or try your own in business. When you tend to leave your comfort zone and get educated, you will likely get vision about your future and move accordingly towards getting a job or starting a business. Fourth and final step, which is also the most crucial step, is to make plans and take action. Action planning is the process of turning your strategy and goals into action. Taking your ideas and planning how to make them reality. In other words, action planning is working out what exactly you need to do to get where you want to be. Whether those are personal goals or organizational goals doesn't matter, as the skills required are the same. The best strategies, whether for life or work, include action planning as part of the strategic thinking. After all, it doesn't matter how good your strategy is on paper if you can't implement it. So action planning ought to be a crucial part of the strategizing. So guys, these are the 4 simple steps to achieve whatever you want in your life. Just get out of your comfort zone and start doing. The world will bow in front of you. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and share. And for more videos and updates, please subscribe to our channel and support us. Wish you all a very good day.